Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I wanted to just do like kind of a bronzy, last summery look with a pop of color. So this is what I came up with. I think it's perfect for ending summer, kind of like the smoky eyes got a little bit fallish, but with the blue it kind of makes it more summery, super brown skin. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so starting off, I already went ahead and did my eyebrows and primed my lids. So for today's look, I think I'm going to be mostly using my Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette. This is just a really great palette. I want to do like a super bronzy look, but then do like a pop of color in the eyes, or in in the inner corner. So that's what we're going to be going for today. I think we can't see on camera, but my face is peeling pretty badly right now, mostly my forehead, because I mean I put a lot of sunscreen on, but I still got burnt, and my eyelids got burnt, and that was the most painful thing. And I've never had my eyelids peel, and they're peeling a little bit today. So you know, that's hopefully the eyeshadow still looks good. That's my goal for today. I'm going to be starting with this more yellowy color. I don't know the names because it doesn't have them on my palette, but I've been really liking this shade for a transition shade. So we're going to do kind of like a bronzy smoky eye is what I'm thinking. Zoom you guys in a little bit. Just building that up a little bit. Okay. Then we're going to go in to this one right here. It's just, that's one of my favorite shades. It's just such a perfect warm brown. It's just a really pretty shade. And we're just going to pop that in the crease and just keep building up that color. And I also am going to be using a couple new products today. I got a couple new things right before our trip, and then I mentioned in the vlog that I got the Inglot Gel Liner, so I'm going to be testing that out today. I kind of wore it one day on the trip, but I didn't really have the right brush for it, and I just didn't feel like I got like a really good feel for it, because I didn't wear it very long either, because I never had makeup on for too long while we were down there. So I'm going to try it out today and get a better idea if I would like it or not. I'm hoping it's better than the Sigma one, because I loved the Sigma one, but it just would smear so badly, so I didn't want eyeliner below my eye. So yeah, it's pretty sad. Also, I feel like this is kind of fall vibes too, which, to be honest, I'm not ready for fall. I'm still trying to hold on to summer, and it's still nice out, so I'm just clinging on to that. Right, next I'm going to go into this shade right here. It's just a darker brown. Still kind of on the warm side. It almost has like a red undertone to it, I'd say. And especially when, like, so I always do my eyes before foundation, but especially when you're going to be doing a more like smoky eye, more with darker shadows and stuff, I would definitely recommend doing your eyes first. This actually doesn't have like a ton of fallout, but I just feel like it's always better to be safe and just do your eyes first, and then you can just easily wipe stuff away, not have to worry about accidentally smearing eyeshadow all over your foundation and like having to redo your whole under eye area. So I think I'm just going to go back into that second shade and kind of bring some of that back in. Because because I don't want it to get too dark. So, I'm trying to decide if I want to do this color right now. I think I'm going to go ahead and pop it in. We can always kind of add more towards the end after we do like our face and stuff. So for the inner corner, I'm going to be taking this color right here. I believe this one is called Pool Party. I don't know if this one is Pool Party, but I'm going to be taking the more blue toned. This one has a little bit of shimmer too, which is perfect for the inner corner. And popping that in there. I think it's just such a fun way, and this makes it still kind of a little summery, and I just think it's so fun. Like, and once we get like our summer face done, I think it's going to be so perfect and fun for ending summer, kind of transitioning to fall with the more smoky, bronzy eye. But yeah, I just think it's so fun. So I'm going to go into this eyeliner first because I need to try this. I am going to use my Sigma, let's see, E6 or EO6 eyeliner brush. So this is, it has a, I feel like it's a little more, I mean they're both really smooth. This one almost seems like a little, not as thick maybe. I don't know if that's the best way to describe it, but because I tested it out the one time, but, and I don't think I'm going to do a wing, because, I don't know, it goes on really smoothly though. And I'd say it's pretty easy to create a really nice smooth line. So I mean, first off, first impressions is I really like it. So the main thing will just be seeing how it lasts and if it transfers down here or smudges up on my lid. So hopefully it stays in place though. And like a little product goes a long way too. I re-dipped on the first eye, but I don't think I even needed to, and I haven't re-dipped on this eye. Okay, so yeah, I think I'm just gonna leave it as like that and not do a wing. I might do it another time, but I just don't think I want one for this particular look. So we're gonna curl our lashes now and do some mascara. And I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara. I've been really loving this mascara. It's really good. Okay, so I'm going to go apply some falsies real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back with my lashes, so we're going to move on to the face. I already went ahead and primed my face using the Porfessionals primer. So I'm just going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Foundation, and I'm in the shade 220 right now. I did get tanned, so this has actually been a really nice shade. It's like a teeny bit light, but like it's blended to my neck really nicely. And especially if I have like a big tan too, which I'm going to be trying to keep up on through the winter. But yeah, it has a really good undertone for me. It's definitely more warm, and it hasn't looked pink at all, so it's been really nice. So it definitely looks a little crazy. Okay, sorry, my camera cut off again, but I'm just gonna start blending this all in. And sorry, the shower just started. My husband just got up. Finally going to church this morning, which will be so good. We haven't been in so long. The summer has just been crazy. And then we've been gone a bunch, and so yeah, we haven't made it to church a lot, which is really sad, because I always feel better when we go to church. So I'm really excited to go today. Guys, I'm wearing hoops. Didn't think I'd ever get on this trend. I used to wear hoops when I was younger, but then for the past few years I've like worn nothing but studs. And I got these on sale while I was down in Florida. And I'm still not sure. It's weird seeing dangly earrings on myself because I've been loving studs for so long. And it's weird feeling something too. I'm just going to go with a smaller brush. I'm just going to go into it with this concealer brush and pick up some of the excess foundation on my hand. And just kind of go over this area so it's not like white or a lot lighter than my concealer. Okay, next we're going to go with concealer. I'm just going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 15, Fair Clair. I'm going to go with the Makeup Revolution concealer and the shade C6 and highlight the rest of my face. And just blend everything out as per usual. Then just going in with my Maybelline Fit Me powder. I'm just going to set under my eyes. Then I forgot this on my trip. There we go. Forgot this on my trip, but the Fenty Beauty Matchsticks contour stick in Mocha. Haven't cream contour in over a week, so I'm excited to use this today. And because the acne on the side of my face is like really gone, I don't have any bumps. It got completely covered up too with the foundation, so I'm really happy about that. I really hope my face stays clear. It got so good while we were in Florida, so I'm really hoping it doesn't like freak out after a couple days of being back and break out again. I'm just taking my Morphe stippling brush and blend everything out. I'm just going to go in with my Fish Essence Formula Butter Bronzer and bronze up my face even more. Going for a pretty bronzy look today, so I'm going to go a little heavier on the bronzer. Some on the neck. And real quick, I'm just going to blend that out a little bit. So we're going to bake that contour. And I've been liking to leave it on for a little bit longer, so we're going to do like the rest of the face makeup and the eyes before we wipe this away. And just a little bit on the nose. Okay, so next I'm just going to take my setting spray and spray my highlighting brush. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in Molten Gold. I've been obsessed with this one lately, especially since I'm more tan now. It's perfect for my skin tone, and it's just such a blinding highlighter. I've been so obsessed. And I'm just going to be going in with my blush. Nothing new here, I'm using my Milani Baked Blush Luminoso. I've just been so obsessed with it lately. I should find a new blush. So then we're going to go back and finish up the lower eye. The same shades that I did on my lid. I have a little bit of the blue left, so I'm just going to sweep it over and just make sure it's all blended out. And then just going from the lightest to the darkest shade. And then just topping it off with some more mascara. And I'm actually going to go ahead and do the lips real quick before I wipe it away because I just want it to sit a little longer so it's really sharp. I'm going to be using a new lip product today. This is the Dose of Colors times Iluvsarahii in the shade Nude Chica. And the formula is so good. Let's brush the bake away now. And then we're just going to take our sponge one more time, make sure everything is nice and blended. And then we'll just go in with our setting spray, and I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. That's the completed look. So this is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on future videos. And if you have any requests, be sure to leave them down below as well. And I believe that's everything. Don't forget to follow me on social media, on Instagram and my blog. I'll have everything in the description box below, as well as the products I used today, as always. But yeah, I believe that's everything, and I hope you guys have a good day, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye!